Hey guys, it's Naomi, and today I'm going to be trying some British candies. I'm going to do 4 different type of candies. Right now, we're just going to start off with an easy one. It's Jelly Belly. If you're from America, I don't know if it's in other countries, yeah, Jelly Belly, but it came from a different continent, so there are different flavors, because I've only had the Bean Boozled ones. So there's top banana, which I can't have because, interesting fact, I'm allergic to bananas. There's also blueberries, tutti frutti, lemon, juicy pear, berry cherry, green apple, coconut, watermelon, and tangerine. So I'm gonna try each of the flavors except for banana and see how they taste. Blueberry. I don't like the blueberry. Now coconut. Coconut is really good. Give that one a 9 out of 10. I'm gonna try berry cherry. Tastes like a cherry slushy. I give that a 7.5 out of 10. Tastes like bubblegum, but I don't really like gum, so I give it a 5. No, let's try lemon. I think this one will taste good. But this tastes horrible. I give that a 2 out of 10. Look, yeah, it tastes like throw up. 1 out of 10. Anyways, green apple. Very good. Yeah. 8.7 out of 10. Because it's good. For the next one is Smarties. It's not American Smarties. They kind of look like Skittles. My mom said they're kind of like M&M's, but they're chocolate. Doesn't really have a specific taste like Skittles do. So I'm guessing they're all going to taste the same. Yeah, they taste the same. But they're good. Yeah. I'll give these a 8 out of 10. Next one we'll be tasting is Dairy Milk Chocolate, but not ordinary dairy milk. Oreo Crunch. By the way, if you're from London or UK, well, like in Europe, somewhere where you have these treats, comment what other treats I should do, or a place where I should get the treats from. And also, I've been thinking about what I should call you guys, my subscribers, even though I don't have a lot right now. If I get more subscribers, what I should call you guys. Oh my gosh. Kind of tastes like cookies and cream Hershey bars. It has this weird circle on it. I'm not gonna eat that part, I don't trust it. But this is really good. Give it an 8.5 out of 10. Toffifee, I'm guessing? Toffifee. I don't know if I like this. This part is really hard. And the little circle thing tastes interesting. But when I eat it, it tastes fine. I mean, the inside, like. And this part, it tastes good. I think this is the caramel outside, chocolate, nougat, and then hazelnut. I like the nougat and the hazelnut, but not the chocolate and the caramel. Correct me if I'm wrong, but okay guys, thank you for watching my video. And overall, I think my favorite one was this one, the Dairy Oreo. These are really good. I think my least favorite one was this one. It was good. All of them were good, but this one, I don't know, it wasn't very good. And comment down below which one of these you would want to try, and if any other candies I should try. And also, think of a name that I should call you guys, so I'm just not saying guys 1,000 times. But anyways, see you guys later. Home dog, home slice.